Yara, what do you love most about Jovi?
I don't know what exactly I love about Jovi. I mean, he have a cool body. Not now, before. Of course, I love Jovi. I mean, I feel like I love Jovi. It's not this crazy love where I will jump from the mountains, but I feel like I miss him, and I'm pretty long time with him, so that means something. I not drop him yet, so yeah.
So why do you love Matt?
I've never told Matt that I love him.
You've never told
I
Matt?
never told him.
Why not?
It's because I cannot just say love. For me, it's really mean a lot.
But you marrying him?
Yes.
And you don't love him?
I don't know.
You love Mike?
God, it's hard. I think we have a potential because he's a good guy. He's a good guy, and there are a lot of moments that are good.